Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be testing out this brand new rose cream palette from Revolution. So you know that I always try and get my hands on the new Revolution products, and when I saw these little dinky palettes, I've got this one and I've also got the hazelnut one as well here, which I shall be filming next. But when I saw these, I just thought how cute, how adorable, I need to try them. So this palette, I will put the price on the screen, is very affordable, and we have got 8 shades in here. I love the name of it, I think it's gorgeous, and when you open it, it is just so blooming adorable. Look at it, it's so cute. So when you open the palette, this is the shades that you have. So this pink is gorgeous. This green is beautiful. That is more of a, wait, I don't even know. Let's swatch it. I'm not quite sure if that's a green or a gold. Can't really tell. Maybe my eyes are going funny today, but that is a really cute little palette, so let's swatch it. Okay, so here are the gorgeous colours of this palette. I love it. That colour that I was saying to you, I can't really work out, but it's got really lovely like hints of gold, but it's quite a mottled kind of greeny goldy colour. It's quite complicated to, yeah, it's gold but it's got like tinges of green to it. But yeah, here are the swatches of the palette. Again, they swatch really nice. I love them. I love how soft they are and smooth in the palette, so let's see what look we can create with this palette. Okay, so if we look, it's got a cute little mirror as well, which I think is a really good idea, especially if, you know, this is going to be like a little palette that you want to take away with you and use as like a little travel one. It's got a mirror and it's got all of the colours that you need, so let's really test this out. So the first colour I'm going to dip into is this beigey nudie colour, and I'm just going to start working that in the crease. And just blend it in. What I love about Revolution, most of their palettes, they're very soft and buildable, which is something I really enjoy, because I'm not like hugely good at makeup. Like when it comes to dark colours, I struggle to really like do that thing where you put it in the crease and blend it out. It can be quite overwhelming for me, so I prefer to build my colours up. So far I really love this palette. You probably can't see the colour difference because it's really close to my skin colour, but that's what I like to do, is have a colour that is very close to my skin colour. Sorry, my necklace was like moving about. I like to have a colour that is very close to my skin colour, so that it really lets me work on it, sort of thing. So I feel like I'm going to have to go into the pink, because this palette is just like pink. So let's go into this grey kind of, I don't even know, like mauvey grey colour. It's pretty. And I'm going to pop that in the crease. Again, really nice. It blends lovely. And now I'm going to go into this pink here, which is what we're all waiting for, right? Because it's just the biggest colour in the palette. So let's dip into that pink. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this colour on the outer corner. Ooh, she's pretty. That's a really nice mauvey kind of pink. I really love that actually. And then I'm going to sort of gently try and blend it in. Really pigmented actually. I wasn't expecting it to be that pigmented, but it's okay. We can blend and blend and it will be fine. So I'm going to go into this beigey colour and just neaten it up a little bit, just try and like soften it a little bit, because wow, that's pink. wasn't expecting it to be that pink. That's very, very pigmented kind of colour, so it's cute. I like it. So I think I am going to put this, I don't know if I want to put that kind of colour here or on the lid, or if I want to use that greeny goldy colour. I don't know. Maybe we'll do both. So I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to use this purpley mauvey colour, and I'm going to pop it right in the inner corner and just work its way up. If you watch my channel, you know that I just love to use my finger when it comes to shimmers. I just feel like I get the most out of the shimmers that way. Oh, I really love that colour. That is really nice and shimmery. I love it. Nicely pigmented. It's soft. It blends nice. It's not like chalky or anything. And then I'm going to use that goldy greeny colour, and I'm going to pop that just on the outer bit. Just to give something a little, I don't know, just something different on the outer corner, I guess. Okay, so that's quite a subtle colour. I don't know if you can see. I don't think you can, but it's quite subtle on that outer corner bit. But if you look closely in a mirror, you can really see that goldy, greeny kind of colour. But on the camera, I can't see it, so I don't know if you can see it. But it looks really, really nice, and I'm happy with both them colours. So you guys, this is the final look. I'm really, really happy with it. I feel like, oh, by the way, I added a little shimmer in the inner corner. I added this colour in the inner corner, and it's really, really pigmented, as you can see. This is a really, really cute palette. I feel like for the price of it, it's really nice. It blends really nice. The colours are cute. I feel like you've got a good variety of colours in there as well. So overall, I'm very, very happy. Let me know what you think of this look down below, and I will link this product for you as well down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!